Okay, follow natin si Ate
Juno.
Okay, kids. Yes.
Juno. 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 Juno.
Yan, yan. Okay. Okay, so listen. Natitingin tayo. Okay, so listen, kids. Our first step. Ganun daw. First step. So, kailangan yung kamay natin ganito siya. Para siyang beak or yung mouth ng chicken or duck. Ayan. So, nagaganto yung kamay natin. Yan. Very good. Okay, first step natin to, kids. Second step is to flap your wings. And then shake your hips. And clap 3 times. Okay, kids. Next step is you will walk. Okay, and then walk to the other side. Okay, and then back to your step 1. Okay, again. So again, step 1. Your hands. Flap your wings. Shake your hips. And clap 3 times. Okay, kids. Nagets po ba? Okay.